So, sir, now since you have been working in dentistry for more than 2 decades now, we would like to know that how much has dentistry changed, and what are the current trends and innovations that are happening in dental field.
First of all, how dentistry has changed is in the perception of patients towards us. Okay, there was one person who revolutionized dentistry in Mumbai, and that is Dr. Sandesh Mayekar. Dr. Sandesh Mayekar changed the perception of looking at dentists as only dentists, and raised us to a perception of doctor. Okay, there are people who have also changed that perception in implantology as well, such as Suchetan Pradhan sir. And the leaders in implantology who have changed that in around India as well, not just in Mumbai. So it's about how a patient perceived us. Before, the patient's perception of a dentist was, you go to a dentist, he pulls out a tooth. He pulls out a tooth and throws it in a dustbin. Okay, that's what it was. So the transformation of dentistry into one of specialized care, one transformation of dentistry into a common dentist where only one used to visit when he had a toothache, and where dant itna sag gaya tha that your tooth was so rotten that it had to be pulled out and thrown out. Okay, the concept of saving a tooth, the concept of aesthetics as such, in terms of a tooth being the cornerstone of one's aesthetics, one's perception in society and self-esteem, that came only around later to India. It come long back in the West, but it came down to India only in the Northeast. Northeast meaning that is the 2000 to 2010 is called the Northeast, because it is not 2000 being not the millennial years, and from the early 2010 to 2020 is when these transformation really came to be seen. So what one was the change in the perception of people towards us, and second is the accordance of specialized care that we have given in terms of aesthetic dentistry, like laminates, okay, smile design. I remember there used to be a time when we used to see a lot of people with midline diastemas or diastemas between all their antedates. We hardly see them now. Okay, girls we see before their marriage, they would love to have a depigmentation done. They would love to have their smile design done. And that was because of the hard work of pioneers who worked in the field, such as Sandesh Mayekar being one. Okay, so that perception towards specialized care changed over the years. That perception to specialized care, such as in doing the practice of implantology, giving to restoring oral function. Okay, before a person who had several teeth missing also still would go along with it, chew out the other teeth. Okay, now you got specialized care which takes care of even if one tooth is missing that day. Just like I mentioned about immediate implantology, a person would like to have that tooth, if it's lost that day itself, implants placed, and that day itself, if it can be loaded, it can be loaded that day itself. You would like it to be done. So specialized care in dentistry, that happened particularly in the last 2 decades. For example, we had during the time when I was a teenager, we had only metal brackets, right? And I remember calling my friends who were going through orthodontics, used to call them Metallica and all. There used to be this band Metallica. Okay, we used to call them Metallica and all. We used to make fun of them. Now you got ceramic brackets which is hardly visible. You got Invisaligners, clear aligners, which wearing in the night, and you not hardly, it's not being shown at all. So the area of specialized dentistry, I think that came in the last decade, particularly related to rhinoplasties. I've got a colleague of mine, his name is Dr. Rahul Gogoi. Rahul Gogoi, if you won't believe, he practices not in Delhi or in Mumbai. He practices in his hometown in Assam. And he does rhinoplasties, cheiloplasties, blepharoplasties day in, day out, day in, day out. And let me tell you, he got specialized in cosmetic, not cosmetic dentistry. He got specialized in cosmetic surgery, plastic surgery. He went to Europe and got specialized in plastic surgery under a plastic surgeon, and that's what he is doing is MDS in maxillofacial surgery, but he got specialized in plastic surgery and is doing that day in, day out. Okay, Rahul Gogoi is fast becoming the most youngest sought after cosmetic surgeon there in the Northeast. So what I'm trying to say is this specialized care that came during the past 2 decades, definitely.
I think that's, you put it very correctly, because I also remember when we were doing our dentistry, people they were not much aware, and they just wanted to extract the teeth out. They didn't want to save the tooth. Even if you try to explain them that, saving the tooth is much better than extracting, but they would just feel, nahi, nikal hi do isko to, ye to bahut pareshan kar raha hai. So I can totally, remember and recall my days also when we were practicing and we were, pursuing dentistry, the same thing. And today it has specialized so much, and we see so many things coming up in dentistry that, a BDS graduate or an MDS graduate should focus on. So they should focus more on how to specialize themselves into one area of dentistry to excel, in this field.